How to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management and then scroll down and click on phone app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of phone app. After clear the cache memory of phone app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.